Okay. Okay. Hey, hey! Okay, so I just saw that there's a hole in the fence here, and Daisy is coming on his own, and he is terrorizing. No, sir! I did not know. I did not know. What are you doing? You can't just jump on a girl like that. Here's the hole right here. Which she's supposed to do. Oh, that's bad. Is she okay? He's injured. He needs ladies, and so I was going to bring him in anyway. But I wasn't here. I don't like the protection. Ladies, I'm so sorry. Let me do a head count here. That was a little scary for me to just see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is everybody okay? I mean, he had her in the corner here. That was not cool. Yeah, now all of a sudden you want to get back out, huh? No, sir. Come on. No, you're in here now. Daisy. Daisy. That was pretty extreme. I'm not going to allow you to be aggressive like that. Do you hear me? You have been born to be a gentleman. Oh my gosh, I'm so grateful that I just came up and found that. And I'm so grateful that they're okay. Look, now that I'm here,